Hello, everyone. Welcome to our weekend analysis this evening. Before we begin, I just want to remind you all that we have a 30% off discount on all accounts, all models, and drawdown levels, limited to only 700 accounts, excluding the Instant Pro and Challenge models. And that code which you're going to use is the Instant 30, which ends on the 10th of November. So you have a few more days before this coupon ends. So without any further ado, we can just jump right into our analysis this evening. So let's have a look at the dollar index. So the dollar index reached the 100 level, which is always our psychological level, and then from there it immediately dropped to the bottom and came to this resistance, which seems to be acting as support. So it seems like we could be holding this level for quite a while, like starting all the way from here around 999, and then we'll be looking to probably make a new high right above 100.500, just right above here. So this is what we could be anticipating. So this could be a bouncing off level, and then we could be going all the way up and then making a new high. If that fails, then we could actually be coming all the way down, filling this pin bar over here, and the rest is history. Let's look at euro dollar. So euro dollar is almost the same scenario. We have come to support acting as resistance. So in this scenario, we could be bouncing off here. Already there's a bit of rejection with this red candle there, and there's literally nothing here to stop us. So the next level would be the support level around 114, 1.1400. So that is where we could be going for the coming week. If we fail to hold above here, like we just started moving above this previous high, then we could be seeing ourselves coming back to the 1.16 600 level as well. So this is where we could be coming up to, but it seems like an unlikely cause. So probably next week we could just be looking to make a new low, then finally coming all the way down to 1.14 on euro dollar. Then let's look at dollar yen. So dollar yen reached the level resistance. We went right through, came back down, went back up, came back down. So could this be another scenario where we actually go back up again? Well, we yet to see, because right now it might just be consolidated for the rest of it till whatever news comes out. Then let's look at pound yen. So pound yen, we literally almost filled this whole gap. We came here, touched where the gap had opened from, and then we pushed right through. So this was the first touch. This was the second touch. Then this was the third one. The third one was a charm. So it literally dipped right through. So I think everybody thought this was going to be the breakout point, but it actually started to reverse back up. So we could be seeing next week ourselves coming all the way up into these areas, especially since at this point we can say the trend line is broken. So trend line is broken right here, and then our next levels could be here, and lastly here. Then if we can push even further, well, we could be actually making a new high right above 205. So let's keep an eye watch on that on pound yen. Then let's look at dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican, we had this long-term uh, upward channel that I literally talked about, and we touched the top of the channel, then we also broke right down through. So everything has been going right, textbook method. So could we be bouncing off this level right here? Well, we yet to see. If we do, then we could be coming back all the way up. But if we break right below here and we close right below here, then we could be coming all the way to 1630s and level, which we could be coming down to. Then let's look at CAD Swiss. So CAD Swiss, We broke the trend line, came all the way up, had a resistance level, broke through that, almost came to the final resistance level, but we're shy by a few cents before we actually went up. Then we bounced off of that, came back all the way down here to this resistance level, and then it became support. Support held for a bit, and we seem to be coming all the way back up. So we could actually be coming all the way to 0.67 for this coming week on CAD Swiss. Then let's look at pound dollar. So pound dollar has also been pushing further down. These levels and trend lines got broken. So could it be that this could be the final one that we could be holding on to? So we might actually be pushing even higher here next week, probably touching 1.32, 400, probably bouncing from there and continue on the way down. But if this actually holds and then we break right through, then we could be seeing ourselves coming to 1.33, 500. Then let's look at gold. Gold, we came all the way down here, we bounced off this level, and then we just seem to be consolidating right through here. And overall, we are looking to see where this consolidation will go to. Either we're going to break the upside or we're going to break the downside. And if we do break the downside, then we could be seeing ourselves coming down to even 3,650. Or if we do break the upside, then we could be coming to this resistance level around 1.4.150. So let's keep an eye watch on that. Then let's look at NAS 100. So NAS 100, we had our gap, got filled it, and then we seem to like wanting to come all the way down here. We didn't really come all the way down here though, but it seems like a level we could be aiming for. But overall, we came to the support area. We bounced off the support area, so we could even actually be going back up. Maybe even looking to formulate a new high on NAS 100. Then Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we finally reached our pin bar level. We pushed right through 102, and then we even went below 100,000. So this continued back down. Well, we yet to see because we have another support level right here around 988,000. So we could be actually coming down there as well. But let's see what this rest of the week has in store. Overall, if we do have some dollar strength as the week begins, as we saw in the dollar index, then probably we could be pushing all the way down. Then Ethereum also did the same thing. We had a 1, 2, 3, fourth touch. This was like a lot of touches. And then on the fifth one, it came back up. Then after that, on the fifth one, it just crashed all the way down. The fact that this one crashed all the way down and isn't really reversing means that we might actually be coming even below 3,000 on Ethereum. And then also looking at the sentiment literally has disappeared at this point. So I don't want to share much information about it. But of course, last week, as you saw, we had very few sellers. So yeah, we might actually still be continuing selling on euro dollar till there is a perfect balance to push price going all the way up. So this is where we conclude with our analysis this evening. I thank you all for joining us. So once again, don't forget we have the 30% off discount, which is instant 30, where you get a 30% off all the limited 700 accounts that we have, excluding the Instant Pro and the Challenge models. So the coupon code is instant 30, and this instant 30 code is only valid till the 10th of November at 11:59 CET. It gives you 30% off all accounts except Instant Pro and the challenge accounts. So all models and all drawdowns. So make sure you get yourself a share of all these 700 accounts before it actually ends. I thank you all for joining us this evening, and I hope you have a jolly good weekend and the week comes in great for you as well. Apart from that, have a lovely rest of your day and happy trading.